loader construction set was a popular toy in 1977. The car loads small marbles at one station, carries them to others, unloads them at another, moving back and forth along the tracks as needed. It takes 45 seconds to run a cycle and requires about 2 feet of space and had a cost of about $12. The set contained 8 feet of track with 12 sections. As color dyes improved, the orange and gray color from the 70s were replaced with primary colors in the 90s. The $12 price was raised with the introduction of the Big Loader that came about in 1994 and included a working elevator and this memorable television ad.
Big loader, put it together and what do you get? The big loader construction set. Load it up, chug along, dump it out. Big loader, big loader works all day long. So I'll sing this big song. Load it up, chug along, dump it out. Big loader, load it up, chug along, dump it out.
Much better than this television ad from the 1970s.
With batteries you buy, you can make the big loader construction set load, pour, scoop, fill and do it again. You can do it again. Switch, haul, and dump. The big loader construction set. It's loads of fun. The big loader construction set. You put it together by Toby.
Soon after, the big loader was marketed, including both the original and the new layout in one box. Big Loader teamed up with Thomas & Friends, creating a dual branding of the toy that boasted of adventure in their television ad.
Join Thomas & Friends in a new big adventure with the Thomas & Friends Big Loader playset. Help Percy collect the coal and watch it go down the chute. Come on, Terence, scoop it up and deliver the coal to Thomas. Great teamwork. Play on or off the tracks. Thomas & Friends Big Loader.
Big Loader teamed up with John Deere and introduced this set to the world. Even Pixar Studios Cars got into the act with this off-style Big Loader set that included Mater backing McQueen to the loading ramp. Marketers boasted, "There's nothing to do after the Big Loader startup but look on in wonder." Like this little boy reminded to keep his hands in his pockets while playing with his Big Loader.
Hey, what happened to the balls though?
They're broken.
Pretty soon a kid's just gotta start messing with it. Which takes me to my point. It is difficult to look on in wonder for an extended length of time. And, after a lot of thought, here's how I made Big Loader better. Big Loader and any similar mechanical sit and watch toys can be made better when set up as part of a bigger picture, adding a setting with parts and pieces that can be touched, held, and played with made it more fun. A helicopter pad, roads, buildings, and even a water area adds places for a backhoe, trucks, cars, aircraft, and even a boat that can be actively played with while checking on the construction site. I used thin plywood, paint, a couple rock-looking tiles from the dollar store, some other toys from the toy box, and a little creativity. Good luck on making your big loader better. And remember, measure twice, cut once, and swear silently.